Hey guys, so for math today we're going to learn the difference between arithmetic and geometric sequences, and it is in your book on page 466, the difference between them, but I figured I'd make a quick video as well. I also posted a secondary video that you can watch in case you were confused. Arithmetic sequence is adding the same number each time. So for example, 7, 14, 21, 28, you would need to figure out what was happening in this pattern. And you'll notice that each time we're adding 7. So anytime that you're adding the same number, it's arithmetic. So think they both start with the letter A, arithmetic and adding. Geometric is a little bit different. It's multiplying by the same number each time. So you'll get a pattern like 2, 4, 8, and 16. And you'll notice that the pattern is that you're multiplying by 2 each time. So just know the difference between arithmetic and geometric. On page 466, they're going to ask you what the pattern is. Are you adding a certain number? Are you multiplying a certain number? And then you need to continue the pattern by listing the next 3 terms. Okay, if you have any questions about that, let me know.